Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So this time, let me share my Variegated Asiatic Jasmine. Scientific name is Trachelospermum Asiaticum Tricolor. So this is a compact, slow-growing, creeping plant with variegated tricolor leaves, dark green, white, and bright pink. Though I'm not sure why mine also have red and yellow. This plant also produces a fragrant white flowers, but it doesn't flower well, and it is grown as a ground cover for foliage contrast because of the colorful leaves. So it is drought tolerant. It loves full sun. It it needs heat to grow, so it does well in containers. So it can be used in hanging baskets. So I'm going to share how to propagate this plant, and I hope you enjoy this video. So, enjoy guys. Thank you.
So I bought this beautiful hanging plant somewhere in Pampanga and super ganda niya and, kasi ang dami niyang colors. I bought this for a month now. I know, more than 2 months na nga eh. And a lot of my friends are already interested to barter. Unfortunately, hindi ko siya magalaw-galaw kasi I'm scared baka masira siya sa akin. My mom is also plantita. So, she tried cuttings. Kaya yung iba umigsi na eh. Unfortunately, it wasn't successful. Pakita ko sa inyo yung nangyari doon sa cuttings. Ito yung cuttings ni Mother dear. So, namatay siya. Ito lang ata nabuhay. Yung 2 piraso. Yan. So, yan lang ang nabuhay sa cuttings niya. Or I think it is because nababad siya sa tubig. Kasi bumagyo. Pero ito, I think, is going to survive. Isang sanga lang. So, I did some cuttings na. So, yung pansin ko kasi may node din siya eh. Yung iba parang may maliliit na roots na. If you can see it. Like that, oh. Meron na siyang maliliit. So, I'm hoping na mas lalaki yung roots kapag kinat ko siya. Ayan. And I'm going to dip it sa growth hormones and hoping it will root faster so I can cut more. So, eto na yung mga nakat ko kanina. And I'm going to soak them first for an hour or 2 sa rooting solution. And then let's see if I'll be successful this time. So, abangers. Okay, so we are going to return this one right. I'm putting all my hanging plants. Actually, ito ay aming sampayan. Ginawa ko ng sabitan ng aking mga plants. So, isi-check nyo kasi yung lupa niya. I'm not sure if you can see. Madami na rin siyang aerial roots. Though I'm scared to pull them off. So, hoping I can just propagate them through cuttings. So, let's see. So, wish me luck. So, we are going to soak these cuttings that I made. Yan. So, hopefully, this time successful na. Okay, so we are going to use this one para hindi siya ganun kalalim. And then, I'm just going to remove, I'm just going to remove some of the leaves. Already diluted the solution here. Yan yung the whitish siya. The breathing hormone. Yan. Para madito. Babad lang natin before ko itan yan. Babalikan kita after. Okay, we are going to plant na our cuttings. Tatanim na natin siya. So I have my loam soil and I am going to use this pot. Anything that nagawin ko siyang hanging later. Pagpunta natin ng konti. So this is pure loam soil. Ayan. So good luck. Okay, so good luck. Not even half, like a portion. True cuttings, straight soil, or true water. Babad natin siya. That's it. So let's see kung saan mas mabilis or if both will be successful. So that's all. Bye everyone. Hi guys, I just want to update you. So after 2 days, this is the one from the soil. Let's see if it's going to survive. Hindi naman siya direct sa sun. And then check the one sa water. Mukhang mas maganda siya yung nag-propagate sa water. Okay, ko muna rito para hindi marawan. Yes? Okay, so welcome back. So after 2 weeks, this is what happened. Not so successful with the lupa. I'm not so happy about it also. After a week, nag-dry out lahat ng leaves. So what I did was transfer it here sa water. So as you can see, mas maraming nag-ugat using water propagation than sa lupa. But it's not 100% successful. This one, buhay pa siya. Okay pa yung leaves after 2 weeks and starting na siyang mag-ugat pero maliit pa din, so hindi ko muna itatanim yan. So this one is successful. As you can see, may ugat na siya and malalaki na siya. See that? So that's successful. And then this one, nag-dry out yung leaves niya here, but you can see may nabuhay doon and may ugat na rin siya. Yan. This one is not so successful pero not sure if pwede pa, but I will still try. I'll remove this dry leaves and see if mag-uugat pa rin. pa tong leaves na to, oh. Buhay pa. So, I think may chance pa to. And this one is also successful. As you can see, ang ganda ng ugat niya. So, pwede na natin siyang itanim. Okay. This one, nothing. But this one also, meron na siya. See, isa. Dalawa, tatlo. Yan. So, I'll just make more cuttings. What I'll do is put some of this here. Yung nag-ugat na. Okay, kasi gusto ko siyang malago. I'll transfer this one na kakatanim lang sa malilim na part. So, hopefully, magdami siya ng madami. Hi everyone! So, eto na, napaghiwalay-hiwalay ko na yung aking halaman. Anyway, nabuhay naman sila. Yung from roots. So, I'm hoping na maging bushy sila ulit. So, here are the plants. So, I'm hoping na mapadami ko pa siya. Like this one, kukonti pa lang. Yan. So, I can't wait na makita silang maganda like the original one.